know, kitchen's pretty much done. Still got a couple more things to go through here. That's some stuff for Piper's TV upstairs. Didn't make it up there this weekend. Had this all cleaned up, but Piper brought out more toys. Kid has toys everywhere, but I got the TV set up and everything, and then I guess I could show you what we did. Didn't have long enough pull string for that, so I picked that one up, and it kind of goes with the blue accent lights that the coach has. We're getting ready to leave. It's Sunday. Didn't really take any video. Had the drone with me. Never even flew it. But I'll show you what we did here. I'll reopen this. But she's drying some clothes that didn't quite get dry. Turn the light on here. So went ahead and installed our Wi-Fi system, and then our cordless vacuum's good to go now. And I love this little vacuum. It wasn't a whole lot of money, and wow, does it do a great job. So especially right now with the trees budding and all the stuff falling, there's little stuff that fall down on the floor, and you know, it seems like we're vacuuming a lot. Got a lot of mud coming in. Still very wet out there. Today's pretty sunny though, and it's starting to dry. So hopefully next week we can do a little bit more outside. And like I said, I still got a few more things to do in here. Just yesterday we were in town, did some shopping, and then in the morning we had our welcome back meeting for the seasonals, and it takes about 2 hours, and there's useful information. It's always fun. So anyway, should be putting some stuff in the van, but I don't have it in me right now. I mean, I'm really not feeling that good. So I'll go outside and I'll show you what I did out there. So we had piles and piles of sticks. We still have more sticks to go through. So I burned up as much as possible. Today, we took the white picket fence off the front of the deck here because I think it's next week or the weekend after, depending on everyone's schedule. This part of the decking here is going to be moved to the back for that door. And then this week I put these together. These are, we still got to get some dirt and plant stuff in there, but we picked up 2 of these for both sides of the A-frame there. So we'll put some flowers in there. Piper has this kit that she got, so we'll probably run them in the center, and then we're going to put seeds around for these put seeds around for these seeds that I picked up. For the life of me, I can't think of what I picked up. So alright, gonna help Patsy get the rest of this stuff in there, and then head home. So like I said, this is going to be really short, and next week we should have everything, and then we'll do a full tour of the as we're calling her, the long trailer. We'll do a full tour there. So anyways, until next time, happy trails.